In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp into HubSpot in just 5 minutes. This integration allows your team to seamlessly manage customer interactions via WhatsApp directly within HubSpot, enhancing your customer communication strategy. First, head to the HubSpot website. Once there, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner and locate the login button. Click there, and you'll be directed to the login page. Instead of entering your credentials manually, take advantage of the Sign in with Google option. Click on it and select the account you wish to use for accessing HubSpot. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner once again, where you'll find the Marketplace. Click on it, and from there, navigate to the Apps section. This is where we'll search for the integration. In the search bar, type in WhatsApp. Look for the app named WhatsApp Integration for Teams by Timelines AI. Once you've found it, click on it to move forward with the installation process. You'll see an option to install the app. Go ahead and click Install. To proceed, we need to connect it with the HubSpot account, so choose the account you want to connect. Once selected, confirm your choice by clicking Choose Account. A new page will open asking you to agree to certain terms to enable the use of your account. Take your time to read through the terms, and when ready, agree to them to proceed. Then finalize the process by clicking on Connect App. Now, it's time to sign into Timelines AI, the third-party service we'll use for the integration. Use your Google account for a swift login process. Once inside Timelines AI, look to the left panel and click on WhatsApp accounts. This will guide you to the option to connect WhatsApp account. Click on it. As part of the setup, you'll need to generate a QR code, so go ahead and click Generate QR. To link your device to the newly set up account, scan the QR code with your phone's WhatsApp. Once your device is linked, we're ready to make the integration with HubSpot official. Head to the Integrations tab in the left panel of Timelines AI and select HubSpot from the list. Once you do, you'll be connecting your WhatsApp to HubSpot. After completing this integration, return to HubSpot. On the left panel, navigate to CRM, then to Contacts. Find your integration profile, and as you move to the right panel, scroll all the way to the bottom. Click on Chat with the contact to ensure the functionality is working as expected. And there you have it. Your WhatsApp is now successfully connected to HubSpot, ready for enhanced and streamlined communication.